Let's discuss the question number 12 from test 3, and it is from thermodynamics. Okay, so a spark ignition engine which works on an Otto cycle is given. The compression, so Otto cycle is given, and the compression ratio, let's denote it by gamma, or let's say gamma C. So it is 5.5, and the work output per cycle is given. The work output per cycle is W, let's say W, and the value is 23.625 into 10 power 5 VC. In terms of VC it is given. So VC is your clearance volume. Okay, so now, and what is asked is what is my indicated mean effective pressure. Okay, so basically P mean, let's denote it by P. This is asked. Okay, so the Otto cycle, when you draw a PV diagram, it something looks like this. So there is a compression, and then there is a constant volume heating, and then there is an expansion, and then the heat rejection at constant volume. So this is and whatever the inlet, it happens at constant pressure, and discharge also happens at constant pressure. So now this is most of the time is represented in such a way that this area, this Otto cycle thing is represented with a constant with a rectangle, such that the minimum volume is your clearance volume at the bottom dead center, and let's say the maximum volume is Vt. So the difference is basically your stroke volume. Okay, and now, so the only why I have kept is equal to is that the similarity between this and this is that the area here is same as the area, so both have the same area. So that is how it is built up, and then this value, this is called as this is called as the mean effective pressure, that the width of the triangle is called as the mean effective pressure, such that the area is same. So now what is given is the area is given as 23.625 into 10 power 5 VC, and now we know that the area on this Otto cycle, the indicator diagram is constructed in such a way that the area is same as your Otto cycle, same as the actual PV cycle. Okay, so that is the actual area. Now the actual area is on this is P mean into V stroke, because it's basically the length into breadth, and this is 23.625 into 10 power 5 VC. Now Vs, how do I find? Now we know that compression ratio is total volume, this total volume by this the clearance volume. Now Vt by Vc. Now Vt is, again I can write Vs by Vc plus Vc. Okay, and okay, so I can write this as Vs by Vc plus 1. Okay, so Vs by Vc from this will be gamma C minus 1, which is 5.5 minus 1, which is 4.5. Okay, so now let's substitute this Vs by Vc in the above equations to get the P mean. So P mean is basically 23.625 into 10 power 5 Vc by Vs, and we know that Vs by Vc we know from the above equation. So let's substitute everything. So Vs by Vc is 4.5, and once you calculate this, the answer comes to be 5.25 into 10 power 5. 5.25, because 23.62 by 4 is 5.5 into 10 power 5. So the option is B. Thank you.